We all have been waiting for this moment. ChatGPT 4 desktop version. It's out, so we can download the ChatGPT 4 and beyond for Windows. You know what is cool about it? We can quick access the ChatGPT anywhere in Windows. And particularly, it's the same as the app you use on your phone. So you can converse, you can really try the advanced voice mode. Particularly, you can try the ChatGPT Canvas. We're gonna take a look at every possible details on the ChatGPT 4 and 4.0 and beyond desktop applications so far. This is available for the Plus people or Plus users. It might not be available for everybody, but you gotta see how it is. If it was really worth it and it was something you really were looking for, so you could try it out by yourself. Well, let's go through it, all right? Let's go and open the application and see how it is. And that way you will understand much better the application, the ChatGPT 4.0 and beyond, and you will learn a lot about it. Let's jump in. So ChatGPT 4 and the desktop application, you gotta download it first. It's super easy. You just go to the App Store actually, and then from here, you can download the application so far. And it's pretty easy. We are gonna type ChatGPT, or not Copilot, ChatGPT, and then we're gonna find it out on the first search result. This is only early version for Plus, Team, Enterprise, and Education version. Once you download it, you'll be able to open it. It's gonna be just like regular application right over here, ChatGPT, that's it. The fun thing about this, the interesting thing about this is it's already having a shortcut. You can quick access it with the Alt space, and you can ask questions, or you can upload the files, or you can search through the web. So let's say I'm gonna say, hi, this is Jan, not that guy. All right, so we're gonna correct it, and you obviously can chat with the ChatGPT, obviously, and get information. Now it's gonna take you a while to memory update. Yes, so there you go. Just correct it. So it will still have the read aloud button, which will read things aloud for us in a very natural and very good accent. Copy is just copy, so good response. We can try different models. For now, we have a lot of models like 4.0 and 4 and all of that, but it's gonna think the main thing is like 4.0 right now. The one that it's regular we are using. We have the files, of course. You can attach files. Not every files, but let's say not audio, for example, but you can like documents, Microsoft Word, and that, or Excel, and it'll analyze it for you and give you some chart or what things. We have the search web, which actually is fun, or could be a competitor to a lot of platforms. Let's say USA election 2024. It's gonna go through the web and it'll find that's it. So it'll give the research and all that thing. So there you go, Trump's the winner. Yeah, that's it. Now if we want to take this like in a main window, we still can do that from here, or we can open a new chat. We can do that as well. It might be a little bit slow, but over time it will be, I think, great. So I'm gonna say hi again, and it'll give me a hi Jen. And now we can make this bigger. And yeah, so this is the ChatGPT application with such a cool thing right over here. We can chat as well. You chat with the new advanced voice mode. I'm gonna mute it. We still have the ability to control things, but we don't have the ability to switch to microphones yet. We have to pick it up as a default. It picks it up as a default, or the Google Chrome settings, we have to go back and change it. That's the only way. That's new thing is ChatGPT 4.0 with Canvas. This will help you to write stuff better, like emails, formal letters, anything like summarization. It's a lot of things over here, like analyze data or get advice. This is with Canvas. This is the new thing that it's out. It's not as cool as the voice advanced mode, but still, this is a lot. It'll give you like a proper document. Write me write me. So it gives you obviously some things over here. Write me guide on how to start a garden. Write me a receipt for a unique dessert. Let's do that. So we're gonna go and it'll give you on a document, proper document like Canvas. That's why it is for. So that's it. So if I click back again, and you can see it's in a canvas over here. I can make it larger, so you can see it's so well. We can write more. The cool thing is that you can edit it, and you can bring it over here, this was not available back before. We still have the share button, by the way, if you want to share things, which is not a new thing really. It wasn't before. The settings is the same. There isn't much to talk about. Yeah, and then we have the speech again, same thing. The auto detect, but mostly it'll be able to speak with any language probably, and improve the model for everyone. Builder profile. This is also the other one version. So that was it. So I hope you are excited about the desktop Windows app for ChatGPT, and you have fun. All right. Thanks for watching. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, this would be a great time. Subscribe right now, probably comment, let me know what you think about the video, so in case we're gonna make the video better for future. And thanks for watching. See you in another video.